What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Jira Plans. So first, head over to the Jira's official website and then log in with your Jira account. And after that, when you have been redirected to the home page, so from here on the left side, you can see this plan section. Click on this add button to create a new plan. And after clicking, the plan window will open. From here, you can create your new plan. So you need to demo you need to give your plan a name, and after giving the name, you need to set the access to private or open, whatever you'd like. And after that, you need to add work to your plan, like you need to select board, project, or filter from these. I'll select project, and after that, I will just select my project. And after selecting my project, I will select the team, but this is optional. And when you have entered all these details, simply click on create, and then your plan will be created. And after that, when your plan has been created, it will appear here in the plan section. And at the top, you will see the name. And when you create your first plan, you will be welcome to the plans and you will be able to take the tour of this. But if you want to directly access them, simply click on skip, and then from here you can access your plans by just simply clicking it here. And then as you can see, I have already created an epic in my Scrum project. So this epic also appeared here in my project. So under the plan section, you can access all your progress and all your works. And this is how you can use Jira Plans. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.